I'm Craig from YMop, and we're in the centre of powerful Australia, Canberra, our capital city. I moved to Canberra just over 4 years ago from Japan, and before that I worked in China for nearly 20 years, and during my time there I met John Nera, who was one of the owners of YMop in the earlier stages of the company. And I became very interested because I saw a huge potential for this machine, and hence I became an investor. Now we're going to roll out the YMop in Australia. We're at the early stages of setup, but I imagine in a few years most people will know what this product is. If you've got floors to clean, this is probably the best product you can have. It's easy, it's relatively cheap, and it's very effective at cleaning your floors. If you're using a mop and bucket, you're probably sick of it, and if you actually study the bacteria count in your floors after mopping, you'll find it's not that satisfactory. It looks clean, but it's not true clean. The YMop will make your floors truly clean. When we started developing this machine, we started with 2 plates, we started with rotating discs, many different versions, but we finally simplified everything and came back to the true YMop technology, which is a vibrating platform on a single plate. It produces an efficient, long-lasting and effective cleaning machine. At the moment in Australia, we're launching this 2026, and we're also developing a newer, smaller version of the YMop for smaller houses, and it's a more budget-friendly model. We're currently distributing in Australia, and of course US is the main base, so if you want a YMop over there you can go to ymop.us, and in Australia follow the link below and you'll get onto us and we can get a product to you very soon.